Hello, everyone. I'm Thomas. I'm the CEO of Zkorp, and we've been working on some dApps with Zama. So today I'm going to introduce you Deberry and Ascend. So smart contracts guarantee openness and transparency, but now users need more and more confidentiality. With FHEVM, developers can finally keep users' data private while keeping the transparency of the networks. This brings a lot of use cases. We can think of fair auctions without leaking bids, which is basically the concept of the berries. We can do competitive games with hidden moves, which is used on Ascend right now. And we can imagine some anonymous reputation system with keeping confidentiality and scoring. I'm going to quickly introduce you the team. So I'm Thomas, the CEO, and we have a very complete panel of skills. Corentin is doing UX and UI, a very good Web3 developer too. Matthias is a killer in the Web3 aspects, so basically is the one I will forward the question to if you have some. And Noé is the Free.js expert and Web3 developer too, and basically is the one making these apps that lovable to see. We've been working on 3 years in the Web3 now. We have shipped more than 10 projects in the Starknet ecosystem, being early contributors. We have now 3 projects shipped on Zama. We have 50 plus open source repos that you can check on our GitHub. And we secured more than 75K in rewards in different game jams and competitions. So one of the games we shipped was the most used contract on Starknet for more than a month. And we have each more than 10 years of experience. This is just quickly a little showcase of what we've built and the kind of applications we are shipping. Now, why are we working on Zama? We believe that Zama is going to unlock the next wave of adoption from blockchain, and we want to be part of it. What we did with the dApps we built with Zama, all of them were mobile first because we want it to be easy to use, touch-friendly, and we don't want to invest too much on the onboarding. It looks like a classic consumer app and not like another traditional dApp. It is frictionless. In all our applications, we are using Privy, so you can onboard with your email, with your socials too. And with using the account abstraction, you don't have to worry about the seed phrases, the keys, to manage the fees, the gas, everyone is managed for you. And with Zama, it's confidential too. We can hide pretty much whatever thing we want. In our application, we will hide the bids. We will hide what you do basically in our games, and it will be settled just after. So the smart contract can compute over encrypted data. So this will make me sure that the data won't leak at all. So I'm going to introduce you Deberry now. You might have used Deberry because it's the QR code that is printed on the table there. So you have the ability to win some nice swag. So Deberry is a fully confidential on-chain auction platform. What does it mean? We launch some biddings. For example, I launch a bid for 1 hour and people will bid. But we won't know the bidding of the other people. So supposedly it will give you a price which will be more fair in the end for the object in question. There is no information leakage as everything is encrypted until the bidding is done. So there is fair outcome at the end. Basically, we decrypt the result, we see who won, and there is no trust assumptions here. On the user's experience, I already talked a bit about it, but it's a mobile-first experience with private authentication, which makes it a lot easier. And it's a very simple UX. Almost everybody succeeded to bid today. I want now to show you quickly how FHE is easy to implement in an application. In the first part of code here, you see that every transfer is basically using an encrypted amount. That means that I can't know how much berries another contender has, and I can't know the amount of his bids too. So this is just a very simple line. I just transfer on the go my amount. And the second thing is basically when the auction is ended, I just decrypt all the bids. I see who is the winner. So FHE is very easy and everything is confidential here. You can scan a QR code, but there are some all over the place, or you can go talk with Jason that will help you. Now I will talk about PlayAscend, which is basically a rock, paper, scissors on-chain. What happens with FHE here? Basically, we will encrypt all of your moves. You choose rock, paper, scissors for 3 rows, and we will completely process it on-chain without even decrypting it. Because as I said, with FHE, we have the ability to do some mathematical operations on the encrypted data, and this is a huge unlock. It's interesting on the gaming part too, because we can get out of the commit reveal classic thing, which is used in most of the games right now. And it's an anti-cheat by design. On the user's experience, it's kind of similar with what we did with Deberry. It's a mobile-first application with private authentication. It's a friendly game with a good UI. And soonish, it will be an instant gameplay. And it's even more simple on the FHE part, on this aspect. Basically, what we do is we just generate a random, and with this random, basically, we can do the division modulo that will give me basically a result between 1 and 3, giving the output of the competition. So it's fast gameplay, and there is no cheat possible. You can try it if you want to scan it now. There is a little tournament going on. I'm not sure for how long, but you can try the game right now. I will let maybe the QR code for a few seconds. And basically, that's it for me. That's all the work we did with Zama. I wanted to thank everyone involved, and obviously very happy to be working with Zama on these groundbreaking technologies.